Barbacoa Mixiote. And that is lamb meat that's marinated in an adobo, and it's packed in little bundles. Traditionally, the barbacoa is done with like whole big pieces of lamb. But to make the lamb mixiote, you use lamb meat cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces. You do want to try to have it with bone in because the bone is going to give it a lot of taste. I'm going to cover this meat with 2 teaspoons of salt. You can just let the meat sit while you make the adobo marinade. Set it aside. Let me rinse my hands. Come see what I have going on over here. We have guajillos and I have pasillas. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the stem, remove all the seeds, and then you're gonna put them in a pot, cover them with water, cook these for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna add the rehydrated chiles, and then we're gonna add cumin, oregano, thyme, marjoram, the heads of 4 cloves. We're gonna discard the stems, 4 peeled garlic cloves, and 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. We're gonna puree that until completely smooth, and that's your adobo marinade. So we're gonna make sure that we cover all of the meat with this very rich marinade. This adobo is really flattering to the meat. It's not overpowering. It really brings about the best of lamb. I have parchment paper to make the lamb mixiote. Now, you see we have some pieces of the lamb that have the bone, some pieces don't. Then you're gonna top them with avocado leaves. Even though they're dried, you wanna toast them because you want to unlock the flavors and the oils and the aroma of these dried leaves. Smells so good. And then we're gonna make a little package, just like so. We're gonna steam the lamb mixiote. I have here 1 cup of beer plus enough water to reach the bottom of the basket. And the beer is just gonna give it a little bit more flavor. And they're gonna cook for about 2 hours. This is your lamb mixiote. It's just falling off the bone. A lot of broth is gonna come out from this package. Some people will just season these with lime juice and garnish with onion and cilantro and eat it as a soup. I'm gonna make my taco. So I'm gonna grab some of the meat, smelling really good. And then you garnish. Some onion, some cilantro, some chilito serrano, a squeeze of lime, and this makes me so very happy. It is that iconic, emblematic experience of eating barbacoa at our roadside stand.